Diyos dito. Umanhin at mukhang hindi ko nasbayan ang iyong yapak, ngibin at pag-iyak, paglipad at pagbagsak ng araw-araw. Pit nang lang kita matititigan sa mata, ginip na mapapaligaw ka na kahit wag nang sagutin. Di bale na ang kintab na bituin, sana ganun ka nga pa rin. It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Tigas na mag-isa, nanginginig. It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Ang mga tala mo, madilim ba ang mundo? Kilala sa inyo na naiwan dito, salhin ang ulan sa paradiso. Uy, tila-tala. Sige. Dulas ay dati malapit ka, walang kahati ng init pag maulan. Tumigil na ang ulan. Saka na kahit wag nang sagutin, di bali na ang angkin ng bituin, sana ganun ka nga pa rin. It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Hirap ang mag-isang Colette, thank you. Been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Ang mga talaw. O sige, mapa ba ang mundo after ng tila-tala? Totoo, Lux. Maging drummer na lang ako bigla, guys. Grabe ang instrumental. Uy, yun pala si Lux. New career unlocked. Yes, kay Aja. Na kahit wag nang sagutin, di ba lang wala ang kintab ng bituin, sana ganun ka nga pa rin. It's raining in Manila, hindi kita maririnig. Ikaw mag-isa, nanginginig. We'll be waiting in Manila kahit di ka nang babalik. Ang mga talao lang ang mga tala. Sundok ng mundo. Yay! Okay, tila-tala ni Lux. Grabe, pag ano, may patila-tala si Lux. Grabe. Ay, mali. Mapa. Mapa next. Sige. Yes! Yes! Yes po, Bernadette. Kasabay ko siyang nag-audition. At talaga, Primrose? Uy, buti nandito ka. Nahulog na tuluyan ng aking damdamin. Pero yan ka ba upang ako... Wait lang. Wala palang lyrics to, guys. Teka lang. Kailangan ko ng lyrics. Kailangan ko ng lyrics. Ay, ano na. To. Nahulog aking damdamin. Nariyan ka ba para ako'y saluhin? Mukhang malabo, mukhang sa panaginip ko lamang posible to. Bakit ganito? Sa lahat ng tao, ikaw pa ang napiling sigaw ng puso. Sino ba naman ako para piliin mo? Sino ba naman ako, guys, para piliin nyo? Thank you, Art. I don't know, Sid. Lahat po. Lahat kami. Ganun. Lahat kami. Kami, Oshi. Tala sa kalangitan. Akit, subalit ako'y hanggang tingin lang. Itanong pilit na ikaw abutin, hindi ka kailanman magiging para sa akin. Kahit anong pilit. Talaga, Ate Marge? Aki, nakapili ka na. Nakapili na si Ate Marge. Really, Sid? Hi, Sid. Kamusta ka? Pilit na ikin mo yung naramdaman. Itigil ang paligid tuwing ika'y nariyan na sa iyong paglapit. Nararanta ako na parang naman akong tingnan ng ganyan. Hinay-hinay lang, mahina ang kalaban, hindi madaling mapaibig sa katulad mo. Bakit ganito? Sa lahat ng tao, ikaw ba ang napiling isigaw ng puso? Sino ba naman ako para piliin mo? Thank you! Thank you sa mga nag-send ng gifts. Tala sa kalangitan. Akit, subalit ako'y hanggang tingin lang. Kahit anong pilit na ika'y abutin, hindi ka kailanman magiging para sa akin. Kahit anong pilit, di ka mapapasa akin. Thank you, Lux. Malabong malabo, malabong malabong malabo, malabong 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 ako ang pipiliin mo. Malabong malabong malabo, malabong malabong malabo, malabong 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 tingin mo ang tulad ko. Malabo ba, guys? Piliin nyo na kasi ako. Sa 46 na andito, sino ang inyong kami, Oshi? Narating din na. Hindi malabo, no, Kuya G. Lahat alas sa kalangitan. Kaakit, subalit ako'y hanggang tingin lang. Kahit anong pilit na ika'y abutin, hindi ka kailanman magiging para sa akin. Kahit anong pilit, di ka mapapasa sa akin. Ito na yung mapa. Sino nag-request nun? Oh, thank you. So, nagulat talaga ako, guys, na since day one, andyan kayo. Let's thank you. Tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara. La tara tara tara. La tara tara tara. Baka umiyak kayo. Mama, Tayo laging nagkikita, miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami ang nauuna. Di ba pwedeng ikaw muna, akin ang pangamba. Ikaw aking mata sa tuwing aking mata sa tuwing mo'y nag-iibang dahilan ng kaya wag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong matatahan. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mama. Pahinga muna, ako na. La tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, 40%. Tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara tara. Naalala mo pa ba? Nung ako ay bata pa, di ba? Aking puso'y hinanda sa mga na buhay ang may dala. Ako ang what tayo at hanggang sa dulo magkalayo man tayo. Ito yung pangako at tatay ko. Ikaw ang aking paa tuwing ako'y Happy birthday, Maria! Ang aking paghinga. Kaya wag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong matatahan. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, papa. Pahinga muna, ako nang la tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara tara. La tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara tara. Nasasayangin pang mga natitirang paghinga. Ano pa sa naroon ang mahalaga? Oh, nagkalampang yes, happy birthday, Maria. I hope you have a nice day tomorrow. Enjoy your day. Huwag mag-alala, ipikit na yung matatahan. Pahinga muna, ako na. Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong matatahan. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mapa. Pahinga muna, ako na. La tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara tara. Tara tara, la tara tara, tara tara, la tara tara. Pahinga muna, ako na. Pahinga muna, guys. Ako nang bahala sa inyong entertainment for tonight. Ganon. Ganon yun. Ganon ba yun? Bili ka na. Hello. Ano to? Alam ko ba to? Sige na nga, tumugtog na siya eh. Kaya ang hangin na nakapalibot sa'kin, tila merong pahiwati. Ako'y nananabik, di naman napilitan, kusa lang naramdaman. Hi, Dandan! Nagmaninsahan, pag-ungay ng kalawakan. Thank you, Sid! Awit-awit, tutulala sa nakakaakit-akit mong tinagtangi. Papangiti mo ang aking puso. puso. Ang damdamin ko, kung mapapaamin mo, amin mo ang giliw. Nagpapaiwating na sa'yo ang damdamin ko. Napagtanto na gusto kita. Napagtanto na. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko sisimulan. Binibigyang kulay ang larawan na para bang ikaw ang nag-iisang bituin. Sisilbing buwan na kapiling mo. Sa likod ng mga ulap, ngayon lamang ang laging akala. Ano ba yan? Anong song? Oo, ayun yun, Justin. Thank you, Mochi. Tinatangi, nagpapangiti mo ang aking puso. Iliw, di mapigil ang uy, ano yan? Damin ko, I see the light, ganon. Amin mo, giliw, ipapaiwating na sa'yo. Sige, try natin. Tas ano pala, no? Ano yan? Ang tawag dito? Ano yung kumakatok-katok sila, Ana? Gusto kita. Gusto kita. Meron ka, binabalik ka ng mahika. Meron ka. Sige, tatry ko. Para sa'yo. Thank you, Machi Machi. Nabihag mo na, di naman ka sinasadya. Buti na sa isa. Yes, Alex! And Stan MNO48 and maging kami Oshi mo na. Damdamin ko, damdamin ko, giliw, giliw, giliw. Pagtanto na gusto kita. O sige, love is an open door daw. Sige. I will try. Try. Thank you, Alex. Thank you so much for following. Wait lang, guys.
My work is easy because I
Hindi ka pala naka-live, really. Akala ko naka-live siya.
start by
Thank
breaking
you.
everything I need to get done in a list.
Wait lang.
Next, I set a priority.
Don't you say something crazy? I love crazy. All my life has been a series of doors in my face. And then suddenly I bump into you. Cause like I've been shook my whole life to find my own place. And maybe it's the party talking or the chocolate fountain. But with you, I found. And it's nothing like I've ever known before. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open door with you. With you. Love is an open door. Duduet na namin to ni Riri, guys. Ay, gusto nyo ba? I mean, it's crazy, we finish each other. That's what I was gonna say. Never met someone who thinks so much like me. Jinx, jinx again. Our mental synchronization can have but one explanation. You and I were just meant to be. Say goodbye, the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Taas, guys. Love is an open door. Life can be so much more with you. Love is an open door. Oo nga eh, ang gagaling nyo, guys. The best. Something crazy? Will you marry me?
Can I say something?
Oy, tama. Yes! Oh, yes daw. More Disney songs daw. Sige, itry ba natin ang... Uy! Sige. Uy, summertime! Sige po, summertime. O sige, summertime next. After nung request ni Baby Loves. Baby Love. Pang ano siya, Labrador Retriever. All those days watching from the windows. All those years outside looking in. All that time never even knowing just how blind I've been. Oh, I'm here blinking in the starlight. Now I'm here, suddenly I see. Standing here, it's all so clear. I'm where I'm meant to be. And at last I see the light. And it's like the fog has lifted. And at last I see the light. And it's like the sky is new. And it's warm and real and bright. And the world has somehow shifted. All at once, everything looks different. All that I see you. Yes, please follow her, guys. Follow nyo kami. Uy, what if Kuya Bernard? Ito na condition ko po. Disney? Ay, nakikinig ba ang Disney? Magpapablend na ako, guys. Thank you, Machi Machi. Thank you. Thank you, guys. All those days chasing down a daydream. All those years living in a blur. Gusto niyo yan? All that time never truly seeing things the way they were. Now she's here, shining in the starlight. Now she's here, suddenly I know. If she's here, it's crystal clear. I'm where I'm meant to go. And at last I see the light. And it's like the fog is lifted. And at last I see the light. And it's like the sky is blue. And it's warm and real and bright. And the world has somehow shifted. Ang cute nung nasa video. All at once, everything is different. Now that I see you. Oh, may gantong side pala ako, guys. No, ngayon ko lang din na-discover. Now that I see you. Matagal na pala ng ng Disney. Ano yung sabi niyo? Summertime? Sige. Summertime. Na 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 na. Na na na. Let's take a dive. Everyone's afraid of love, but I won't hold back not another day. Na na na. To the car. Sige. Yes, kaya pa. Lang cellphone ka ba? Ito yan, di ba? Feeling mo ba? What about let's take a dive? Everyone's afraid of love, but I won't hold back not another day. So make it around to the car. And still we shout for more. I really wanna know what's the deal. You love 1,000 suns, can't be still. Oh, say like things are out of control. And you are the kind of boy that won't let me down. So what are we waiting for? 'Cause it's summertime, let's turn our heart on the line, yeah. But more than a crush, I know that it will be alright, yeah, yeah. So bring it on, let's just give it a shot. 'Cause it's summertime, let's try to wait until summertime. For love, summertime by Amina Pulto. So bring it on, let's just give it a shot. It's summertime, I'm right away until summer sun. Playing safe, to feel the flames. Life's so short, gotta feel the heat. Love's a game, let's play. Less marvelous, fully Los Angeles, like a summer breeze. 300k ka burn. Feels like things are out of control. Whoa, 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 whoa. And you are the kind of boy that won't let me down. So what are we waiting for? 'Cause summertime, I'm running my heart on the line, yeah. But more than a crush, I know that it will be alright, yeah, yeah. Let's just give it a shot. 'Cause summertime, let's try the waves until summer sun. I'm ready for love, for love. Let's just give it a shot. Just ready of just being alone. Ay, ganon. Parang ako na dapat yung i-surprise niyan. Taking over my world. The summertime, I'm putting my heart on the line. Riz. So bring it on, let's get it. Hi, Hades. Let's run away until summer sun. For love. Nag-concert bigla. So bring it on, let's just give it a shot. 'Cause summer for love. Let's run away until summer sun. Yun. And that is Summertime by MNL48. Ang naging ano bigla? Naging parang kalaw na sa radyo. Aeroplanong papel, 300k. Kaya ba? Aeroplanong papel, 300k. Pag lobat na ako, chichika na ako kasi wala na tayong mic. Ganun. I'm your type, I'm the vibe. Fantasize, stay the night, every night. I can keep all your secrets in my pocket, lock it. And then I keep you held down when I lock and drop it. Yeah, you be sly, that's alright. I don't mind, you be cruel, I'll survive. Playing that hard to get love, showing no affection. I know it's hard to keep up with my good intentions. You must think I'm mad to meet you, they must think you. I don't see my love as weakness. I know in the end you'll be there. Ay, cute doon sabi ni Art. Ay, talaga ba? Talaga po ba? And now I bet you think you've got me in the palm of your hand. Give me no love, you get that good love. Hope that you don't regret taking so long to see that I'm the best thing you'll ever have. Come get that love, boy, get that good love, baby, while you still can. Especially for you. Ano nga yun, Lux? Know that I can keep you held down. Uy, may pagganon si Justin. We'll take the time to let you ride, let you try to do me right. Ano nga, feeling ko alam ko yun. Feeling ko. Cause if you push me too far, you can learn the lesson. Pocket-locket ko. Sumunod siya bigla eh. I don't see my love. Search ko nga. You got me in the palm Bahala kayo, sayang daw yung request. Uy! Ano? Hindi ko ata alam yun. Justin and Lux. Oy, toxic till the end. Gusto nyo ba yun? Na 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 na. Uy, hi CJ! Call us what we are, toxic from the start. Can't pretend that I was in the dark. When you're on the fence, didn't even try with them. Sige, 12:51. Sige. So possessive, so manipulating, honestly impressive. You had me participating. I was running out of your place. I said I never wanna see your face again. I couldn't wait to see it again. We were toxic till the end. Secret when I said you was over, you hurt. Baby, can you pull me in closer? You hurt. Plotting how to stay in my head. We were toxic till the end. Uy, 400k, kaya nyo yun? To you, the ex. If it's just, who would ever guess? Playing with the pieces in my chest. Thank you, Alex. Saying I don't leave. So let me. Jealous and possessive, so manipulating, honestly impressive. And then when I was running out of your place, I said I never wanna see your face again. Couldn't wait to see you again. We were toxic till the end. See, but when I said it was over, you hurt. Baby, can you pull me in closer? You hurt. Plotting how to stay in my head. We were toxic till the end. For all of the things you're not giving me back my different rings. Uy, talaga po, Kim. Oh. When I was running out of your place, I said, kaya pa ng ano ko guys, 30% pa ako. Couldn't wait to see it again. Kasi hanggang hindi pa siya lobat, magkakantahan tayo. Pag ano na, chikahan naman. You hurt, baby, can you pull me in closer? You hurt, plotting how to stay in my head. We were toxic till the end. We were toxic till the end. Thank you, Sid. Thank you guys sa mga nag-gift. 12:51 daw, sabi ni Kuya Bernard. Hi kay Adi. Salamat, Malam, Sid. Uy, kaya niyo yun? To my cell phone for my 20th time today. Writing the text that you sent me again. I'll memorize it anyway. It's afternoon in December when it reminded you of the day when we bumped into each other, but you didn't say hi 'cause I look away. And maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life. And maybe I haven't moved on since that night, 'cause it's 12:51 and I thought my feelings were gone. I'm lying on my bed thinking of you again, and the moon shines so bright, but I gotta dry these tears tonight, 'cause you're moving on and I'm not that strong to hold on any longer. Mamaya habang nag-aantay ng 400k, chikahin ko kayo, tapos charge ko to. Saw you with her, didn't think you'd find another, and the world just seemed to, and the world just seemed to, and the world just the night. 'Cause it's 12:51, and I thought my feelings were gone. But I'm lying on my bed, thinking of you again. And the moon shines so bright, but I gotta dry these tears tonight. 'Cause you're moving on, and I'm not that strong to hold on any longer. It's getting brighter, and my eyes begin to tire, slowly drowning in memories of him, which shouldn't matter, as my heart begins to shatter, left to wonder. So, so, so before, and I thought my feelings were gone. Not thinking of you again, and the moon shines so bright, but I gotta dry these tears tonight. 'Cause you're moving on, and I'm not that strong to hold on. And I'll prove you wrong that I move on with this song so much stronger. Oh, pampagising. Ay, alam niyo yung type of girl? Gusto niyo ba mga ganun? Pampagising bigla. Nangyari. Ito, pampagising. Type of girl that'll make you wanna dream. Type of girl that'll make you straight out of the screen. Type of girl you wanna ice and make me freeze. Type of girl you wanna wipe up sign to pre. I bring money to the table, not your dinner. Hi, buddy, and my bank account, good figure. You can buy me, but there's nothing to consider. If I let you in my circle, you're a winner. Didn't know they were cold till you felt my fire. Heaven's gates opened up, hearing choirs. I'm a liar. 'Cause I'm that girl that drives you crazy, but you can't leave me alone. Thinking maybe I was supernatural. Uy, sige, style, enchanted. Pili kayo, style, enchanted, or love story. The type of girl that you forget, make a type to make you love me when the only thing you done is like, thank you for your art. I'm the type of girl, I'm the type of girl, I'm the type of girl. You're done, da la la la, you're done, da la la la. I'm the type of everybody like to double tap what everybody like. You can check my stats, got everybody's eye, and I run them laps, yeah, everybody's mine. These girls love story, okay. Being the best at whatever I do that's sounding on brand. The girl that you wish for when you blow that candle out. The girl that you wanna take back to your mama's house. Girl that don't ask for what she wants, she's taking out. That the girl who got back and simplicity as Chanel. Oh, sige. Ano sabi ko yung love story? Pero timid. Sige, tas Meghan Trainor. Else you a liar. 'Cause I'm that girl who'll drive you crazy. If you can't leave me, my tears ricochet. Oh, alam mo yun. Ay, alam ko yun. But you wanna sige, look into a crystal ball. I'm not like these other girls at all. I'm the type of girl that make you forget that you got it tight. Type that make you love me when the only thing you done is lie. I'm the type of girl, I'm the type of girl. I'm the type of girl, I'm the type of girl. Da da da, da 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 da, da da da, da 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 da. Yun. Wait lang po. Kaya pala, oo nga, ang gagaling niyo pala eh. Grabe pala kayo eh. Well, thank you, Ram. Oh, bigla tayong bumalik. Hindi na. We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback starts. Just standing there on the balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said, stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you, please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all there's left to do is run. You will be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Hi, Click Clean Girl. Sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet cause we're dead if they knew. So close your eyes, escape this town for a little while. Oh, cause you were Romeo, I was a scarlet letter. And the daddy said, stay away from Juliet. But you were everything to me, I was begging you, please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all there's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. You'll save me, they're trying to tell me how I feel. This love is difficult, but it's real. Don't be afraid, we'll make it out of this mess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Say yes na kasi, guys. Oh, happy 300k, guys. Thank you po. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Colette. I got tired of waiting, wondering if you were ever coming around. My faith in you was fading when I met you on the outskirts of town. And I said, Romeo, save me, I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. It's this in my head, I don't know what I'm thinking. We knelt to the ground and he pulled out a ring and said, thank you guys, 300k, thank you, love you, and that's all I really know. After you died, so pick out a white dress. Uy, oo nga, first rabbit. Just say yes. Okay, first rabbit. Oh, oh. Young when I first saw you. Yay! Hi, Karen. Oh, Jiro, because they're not here in the Philippines. So we're trying to include them on some videos that we can do individually. Thank you, Kuya R. Thank you po. Congrats mga masterpiece. Kayo ang nag-effort niyo yan. Ito na si First Rabbit. For 300k, di ba? Thank you, guys. Grabe. Minsan sa aming paglalakad kami napadpad sa kuwebang madilim, walang makita. Aking mga kasama sa dilim na takot na, ayaw nilang pumasok pa, naghintuan na. Pero ako natuwa sa aking nakita, kahit sa thank you, Alex. Kahit na masaktan, di ka tatakutan. Kahit ang kadiliman, di uurungan. Dahil ang pangarap ay pinaglalaban. Sa isyo no usagi ni naroon. Yung beat niya pang ano eh. Thank you for following. At Reb Berto yan. Hindi maipagmamalaki kung mahina ang loob. Itaas ang sarili, tapang ang sandata. Basta tuloy ang laban, kakampi ang mga bituin. Sa daraanan ko bakas maiiwan. Kahit nasa puso ay may pagdududa, tatapanin ang loob, laban ako. Nasusugatan, may matututunan. Kahit ako'y lumuha, kahit pamasaktan, lahat ng hirap at dusa titiisin ko. Sa isyo no usagi ni naroon. First rabbit, para sa may mga pinagdadaanan, guys. Kaya niyan, ma-reach nyo ang goal. Tingnan nyo, lahat tayo di matatalo. Sa buhay wag susuko, buong loob susugan na. Walang iwanan, magtatalo. Yes po, first rabbit. Kahit na masaktan, di ka tatakutan. Kahit ang kadiliman, di uurungan. Tulad ng pangarap na pinaglalaban. Tuloy-tuloy walang susuko, hanggang magkatatunan. Nasusugatan, may matututunan. Kahit ako'y lumuha, kahit pamasaktan, lahat ng hirap at dusa titiisin ko. Sa isyo no usagi ni naroon. Totoo, Kuya Art. Oh, hi Ate G. Hi Bree. Bree. Hi Mark. Uy, 20% ako, guys. Tanan. Hi Ate G. Ang ganda-ganda niya ni Ate, guys. Ever since. Sana ibalik. Uy, what if? What if? Tas isa-isahin namin kayo. Uy, isa-isahin namin kayo. Isa-isahin namin kayo. Kabahan ka na, Lax. Baka magkita tayo bigla. Ay, ibang... Gusto kong aralin to, guys. Sinuggest niya nag-aapoy ng tala. Gusto kong aralin para maayos kung may ano for you. Mo napapansin. Kasi sa ngayon, hindi ko pa siya ganun ka-alam. Pero, gusto ko to, guys. Aralin ko to. Ba't nakiking gagawin upang namin ay makarating? siyang buong daigdig. Aralin ko to. Malas ang iyong mga ngiti, itong rikita at tingnig, at tingnig. Nag-aapoy sa iyong mahalin. Ayun na. Nag-aapoy na tala, natatanos sa langit tanging gabay, didilim na gabi. Nag-aapoy na tala, natatanos sa langit, pag-ibig na sa'yo ay pagdating. Gusto ko talaga tong song na to. Promise. Kasi yung vibes niya, diba? Yes, follow guys sa mga bagong pasok. Ako po si MNL48 Max. 5th Gen MNL48. And I'm here to max out your hearts. Ganang kalangitan, hanapin mong malapitan. Antok na siya. Uy, tulog Justin. Thank you guys. Ang kiss lang. But 18% na lang ako. Yung salangin, anong color ng hair ko? It's, guys, brown. Dapat blonde yan eh. But brown, naging brown. May nag-request kanina. Thank you guys sa mga piniling manood ng live ko kahit anong oras na. Sabi nyo kanina, Meghan Trainor, di ba? Yung mga kanta niya. Sa kanya yung title, di ba? Sige, title. May nag-request nun eh, si Baby Loves ata. Yes, chocolate brown. It was supposed to be ash brown po, pero ayaw ata ng buhok ko mag-ash brown, naging chocolate brown siya. Nag-aapoy na tala, natadanasan sa langit tanging gabay, madidilim na gabi. Gusto ko rin to, JR. Natala, natadanasan sa langit, pag-ibig na sa'yo ay darating. Uy, Tears Ricochet, oo nga pala. Oo nga pala. Pero hindi ko ata kabisado yun. Sige, i-play ko ngayon, tapos i-play ko ulit bukas. Tapos bukas, doon ko totodohan ng sabay. Para kay Justin. Malakas sa akin to si Justin eh. Ah! Hindi ko din alam. Mas love kita. Pero feeling ko alam ko to, hindi lang yung buong part. Hi, Justin na mapagmahal. Hi, SNNH. Ay, ganun ba yun, Justin? Grabe. Diba, Kuya Art? Totoo po. Ayun nga talaga ang aking original na plano. Dapat talaga muted na siya. Eh, kaya lang dahil ata hindi ako nag-bleach. We line up, weeping in the sun with you. Ah, ito nga yun. You'll be your ashes too. Hi, Renzi. Hi, Renzi. Hello. Uy. Cause I loved you, I said I loved you. Ah, sige, bukas ulitin ko to. I didn't have it in myself. Ito nga, with grace. And you're the hero flying around saying face. And if I'm dead to you, why are you at home? kahapon, Cornelia Street, gusto ni Justin ngayon. Look at how my life is ricochet. Ito nga yun. Ito nga. Grabe na ba yung eyebags ko, guys? Totoo ba? Oo nga eh. Never knowing what they'll mean. Para dagdag sa pang-relapse nyo, guys, yung eyebags ko sumasabay. Uy, gusto ko pong mag-eggyosal na bagay sa akin kahit may eyebags ako. Kasi grabe talaga yung eyebags ko, guys. Baka mukhang sinapak. That I gave you as you buried me. Buenos dias, Natruri. Te amo, Natruri. I must have to go. Hi, say hello. The fire you used to tell me I was brave. Pinagpuyat ko yung eggyosal ko, upo. At the way my name, wishing I'd stayed. Look at how my tears ricochet. Anywhere I want, anywhere I want, just not home. You can leave from heart of mine, but you need to miss me in your bones. And I still call to you. Wag na. Ay, charot lang. Mag-review ka. Habang nanonood. Bakit, Justin? To go with grace, and so the battleships will sink beneath the waves. You had to kill me, but it killed you just the same. Kay Locks. Turn into your worst fears. Thank you po, Kuya G. Sino tahimik? Sino tahimik, Justin? Look at how my tears ricochet. Ito na ang nirequest nung isa. Ay. Tapos after nito, guys, i-charge ko yung phone ko. Pero hindi pa tayo aalis. I-charge ko lang. Ito yun, diba? Yung nag-suggest ng Megan Trainer. Thank you, Joy! Thank you po. Alam niyo ba ito? Ay, sumagpas ako. Sorry na. If you want my love, you gotta do what it does. If you want this sweet like sugar, Gucci lips, you gotta give it up. Oh, you think I'm cool, but I ain't one of the boys. No, don't be scared that I'm gonna tie you down. I need a little more, baby, don't call me your friend. If I hear that word again, you might never get a chance to see me. Oo nga po, teka lang, 14%. Wait lang, guys. Wait lang, guys. Wait lang. Call me a friend if I hear that word again. Hard to find, but if you think you wanna try, then consider this an invitation. Kiss my goodbye, give me that time. woo. Hulog kayo guys, sabi ko naman sa inyo, huwag kayong mahuhulog eh. Rinig niyo pa rin ako guys? Yes, nawala po ang ating mic kasi I am low ba. Dinig niyo pa din? Dinig niyo ako? Yes, thank you. Be a friend, if I hear that word again, you might never get a chance to see me. You bet, and that girls ain't hard to find. If you think you wanna try, then consider this an invitation. Kiss my goodbye. Give me that title, so get your 50K. Title, come and give me that title. Better give me that title. Title, come and give me that title. Give me that title. Come and give me that title. Yay! Sige, 350K. Oo nga eh, parang ginanahan ako ngayon, guys. Totoo. Uy, thank you, Alex, for the Mishka Bear. And thank you, Rishin, sa heart me. Thank you, guys. Grover, thank you sa... Oh. Uy, League C1 number. Uy. Tara, 15 na tayo, guys. 14 na. Uy, Grover, thank you, guys. Ay. May iba ba kayong gusto sa ano? Sige, 2 days na lang. Ito. Naisip ko nga eh, or dinig niyo pa naman ako. Ano to?
I don't look like her. She's in all the magazines. So much prettier than
Oh my God, wait lang. What if yung pang 350K yung pahina? Asa na ba ang akin?
staring at my iPhone screen. Watching
Gusto
us
niyo yun?
run
Hi, Body Zone! Welcome to Maxerpiece!
She said to
Naisip ko lang bigla. Live version ng pahina. Gusto niyo yun?
you'll see. Pretty's on the inside.
Ba't siya naka-chipmunk?
Look a little closer in the mirror.
Gusto niyo yun? Pahina. Para wag naman masyadong ano. Gising pa po, yes. Ito, ano ba tong tumugtog? Sige na nga. When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry and curse and hung the wind. Ah, naghang siya. He broke his own heart. Ala. Ano nangyari? As he tried to read the sin. What happened to my laptop? And Mama swore that she would never let herself forget. Nag-white screen yung laptop ko, guys. Ano nangyari dun? That was the day that I promised I'd never sing alone. Oo nga, hindi. Hindi, wait lang. Ayusin ko. You are the only exception. You are the only Oy! Ala! Ano nangyari? Wait lang. Ano nangyari? Patulong. Wait lang, guys. Okay, habang inaayos ko ang aking laptop, kamusta kayo? Kamusta kayo? Na-enjoy nyo ba? Gusto nyo yung ganitong tipo ng live? Kantahan. Hi, Nutruri! Te amo. Buenos dias. Ayun. Okay na siya. Ay! Ano nangyari? Ayan. Sa ngayon po, yes, body zoned. Sa ngayon. Pero I'm not sure if sa hanggang weekend. Ano yung tumutugtog kanina? Ulitin na lang natin. Ay, antok na si body zone. Inaantok na. Ano bang sinabi mo kanina? When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry and curse at the wind. He broke his own heart and I watched as he tried to reassemble it. Uy, huwag kayo magtampo. But she would never let herself forget. And it was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love if it does not exist. Have less English. I understand English. Yes, I speak English naturally. See, exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception. Hi, Kuya John. Oh, akala ko ba tulad na si Body Zone? Maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul. Parang ayun tawag sa inyo, loves. We've got to find other ways to make it alone, but keep a straight face. And I've always lived like this, keeping a comfortable distance. Up until now, I had sworn to myself that I'm content with loneliness, because none of it was ever worth the risk. You are. Yes, 8 to 10 po. Nag-story ako sa live. Only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception. Gagawin ko na yung broadcast channel. So, follow nyo ako guys sa Pick Up. Uy, hi, bebe. Uy, hello. Maulabat naman may pa-rose. Thank you so much sa aming bebe. Hello. Ba't gising ka pa? Uy, thank you so much. In the Philippines, there is a city called Mexico. I think so, not really. Thank you! Ang dami! Grabe, ang daming pag-gift ng bebe. Thank you! Mexico, Pampanga, yes. You are... Naku, nahuli ka. Sabi mo daw, matutulog ka na. You are... Uy, mas maganda ka. Maganda tayong lahat. Follow niyo siya, guys, if you haven't followed yet. Ang aming baby. You are the only exception. You are. Thank you, Kuya. You are the only exception. You are the only exception. And I'm on my way to believe it. Ay, dagulan. I'm on my way to believe it. Thank you po. Yes, follow nyo kami, guys. Thank you sa mga nandito pa rin. Grabe, ang titiway nyo. 12 na, nandito pa rin kayo, ah. Yan. Iniintay nyo ako habang nag-charge yung phone ko. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, yes, Kuya Ajam. Uy! Guilty. Uy, kasi pag di ako makatulog, guys. Hi, Direk! Ang haba kasi nung iye. Hi, Direk! O, ganun yun, di ba? Tama. Ganun talaga yun, guys. Ano ba? Ano to? Alang tulugan to. Uy, what if? Uy, hala! Hello po, Sir Raymond! Nakakaya. Ilaro-laro ko pa yung pangalan niyo mo. Hello po! Hello po sa inyo. Kamusta po? Kamusta po? Ano to? We're together? Wait lang. You feel can't deny. After all this time, I'm still into you. I should be over all the butterflies. I'm into you. I'm into you. Hello po, Sir Raymart. Miss ko na po kayo. To you, I'm into you. Never wonder how we got this far. No, Tyra. After all this time, I'm still into you. 12 po kami sa 5th gen and 28 kami lahat. Your mother told you that I loved you. Oh, your shoulder. Yes, 28 lang. Totoo, but mas gising kami ng ganitong oras. Thank you sa pag-follow, Tyra. I'm still into you. I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you. I'm into you. Hi, John Z. Hi. Oh, hello. Hello, guys, to our international viewers. Hello. Wonder at all after all this time. What's your question? Okay, go. Ano? What's your legit question? Guys, kakabahan na ba ako? Yes, welcome to my live, John Z. What's the question? John Z, do you know MNL 48? Because if not, this is your sign. Hi, Andre. Uy, nag-charge yung phone ko, guys, 21%. Yes! MNL 48 is now popular with Oh My Pumpkin. Oh My Pumpkin. So, you know MNL 48, John Z. It's because of this, guys. Oh My Pumpkin is a song about it's a song about your secret crush. Totoo ba to si John Z? Parang, guys. It's a term of endearment. It's my, sundin ko si Justin. I think I should. Pero ayun, guys. Ayun talaga yun, guys. Oh My Pumpkin is about your secret crush kasi. Pumpkin refers to like a term of endearment. You know, like, my pumpkin, my cupcake. Cupcake bigla. Kaya po yan, ate. Uy! To si G. Oh, may ampalaya. Oh, may ampalaya pang nutrition mat. Oh, diba? Ayun lang yun, guys. Dapat ano yan, ah. It's because pumpkin is cuter, John C. Oh, my pumpkin. Oh, my radish. It's like, oh, my lettuce. Parang pang nilaga naman yan. Di ba niya naiintindihan tayo kasi, oh, tomato is cuter. Really? Oh, my tomato. Okay, let's make a new single. Oh, my tomato. Love it like you hold me. Oh, my tomato. Sige. Sure. I wanted more, more, more. Oo nga eh, siya na lang eh. Bagay nga guys, what if no? Oh my pumpkin. Tapos, kasi Halloween ngayon. Diba? Apaka-timely na oh my pumpkin. Diba? Oo nga, naging bahay kubo naman. Nilalaro nyo na naman guys. O aking pinakbet. O aking pinakbet. Ang hirap guys ha. Something as good as this. Oh my bahay kubo. Liron-liron sinta. Lalang, gano'n na lang. So skeptical. Oh my pakbet. Ang aking pinakbet, gano'n. Kuya Bernard talaga eh. O, tinawanan na ako ni Nog. Anong tinatawanan nyo, Nog? Kayo to eh. Oh, may pinakbet eh. Hi, Frey. Hello. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Magandang gabi po. Ginaya ko si DJ Jaiho. Tuwa ako na sa intro niya, guys eh. A fool for love. A fool for love. Naku, Lax. Diyan ako nagalit kay Elise nung natanggal yung streak namin. When you makes me feel that love is real. Hi, SNNH. Oh, thank you, SNNH. Gen 5, yes po. I am a 5th gen member of MNO48. If you guys don't know me, I am one of the 5th gen members po ng MNO48. I am MNO48 Max. And para alam nyo guys, currently trending ang ating PFC. So, if you have time, gawin nyo na ang PFC challenge. Malay nyo, kayo na pala ang 6th gen. How old are you? I'm 21 years old. Mahirap ba maging dancer? Tingin ko guys, kasi if gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, wala namang mahirap. Diba? Kaya kahit mahirap ang No Way Man. Uy! Kuya Bernard! Grabe naman yan. Diba? Ala, hindi halata. Sabi din sa radyo eh. Sabi nung sa radio show, guys, 16 lang daw ako. Kukontrahin ko dapat, pero sabi ko, wag na. Okay na yun. Uy, ala, oo daw, totoo daw. Guys naman eh. Kiligin ako dyan. Uy, pero nga, dyan sa PFC, abangan nyo guys, yes. Nakita nyo ba ang mga, ay, thank you, Naturi. Did you guys see yung mga nilapag ni official na PFC? Syempre, meron din ako. Inintay ko na lang na ma-upload. It's all about me. And we don't give a dang about nobody. Yes! Ate Serena is our Japanese diva. And we don't need a dang about nobody. Yes po.
for me like a
ball team. Every guy was a knockout drunk king.
but none of them had
Small
smart
to my thing. It's not enough to have balls. Small thing. High school
One
guy.
day by Starbucks, I bumped
Into a guy rocking black chucks. He said, "Excuse me, beautiful." I said, "Aw, shucks."
and then he asked, well, hey,
Wanna grab lunch? Met a guy so fly, he got me hooked like apple pie. I think I'm falling and I don't know why, but I won't fight these butterflies. And it's all about me, and we don't give a dang about nobody. And it's all about me, and we don't give a dang about nobody.
and I swear what we
Have is just super cool. The way he's always in my head like a Bluetooth. I got a text from him. He said, "Come through."
told me that he wants to kick it.
Kung Fu.
Don't do nothing, watch it out.
Uy,
Just be in
parang gusto, I think I want that, Asha. In one of my future lives, what if? Like apple pie. I play the ukulele. Cause I'm all about him, and he's all about me. And we don't give a dang about nobody. And he's all about me. And we don't give a dang about nobody. I don't need no diamond rings. My baby is all I need and more. 'Cause I don't need no extra things. It's not about them, it's not about them. Ano pahig saan? Hi, John Z. Pahig saan? Alin yun? Talaga ba? Ginusto niyo din. Uy, sana nga, Kuya Bernard. Oh, okay, not worry. I will. Ate Dana, ooh. Grabe yung mga Pasko na yung ads. Uy, thank you so much, Justin. Aabangan ko kayo. Gusto ko kayong maka-checky at handshake. Hi, MZ. Uy, hi, Michi. Hi, Arman. Arman. Hi, Ian. Uy, andito si Ian. Pang Christmas talaga siya. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at you. Hi, Ian! Hello sa'yo. Magandang, hindi pala magandang gabi. Good morning na pala, guys. Grabe. Uy, parang gustong gawin yung TikTok na yan. Under the mistletoe, everyone's gathering around the fire. Chestnuts roasting like a hot July. Good morning, guys. 62 days na lang, Pasko na. Uy, pinapansin ko, Justin. Thank you so much nga kasi active kayong masterpiece. Dahil doon, nai-spread the word, nai-spread ang word about me. Oh, grabe. Thank you so much. Thank you. Mamaya, babalikan ko ulit yung page. Hi, Jules.
The wise men follow follow the stars, the way I follow my heart. And it led me to a miracle in love. Don't you buy me nothing, I am feeling one thing. Your lips on my lips, that's a merry, merry Christmas. It's the most beautiful time of year. Let's feel the streets with so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow. I won't be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing
Uy, hindi ko dinaanan. Kailan ko dinaanan?
in the mistletoe.
Shinare ko yun. Shinare ko yun. Eme kayo. 10:34 a.m. in Mexico. Buenos Dias at Brewery. Oo, talaga po. Si Ate Cla. Ganda ni Ate Cla. Sa totoo lang, guys. Oh, alin doon, Lax? What? Weh. Well, live din sila. Talaga.
Kiss me underneath the mistletoe, show me, baby, that you love me so.
Yay! Thank you, guys. Thank you so much po. Na-heart na silang punta tayo sa ano? Alin na kasi lang. Alin yun, Lox? Ano yun? Kahit may sakit ako, basta makita ko lang live mo. Thank you so much, Justin. Grabe, get well soon. Ano yun, Justin? Ano yan? Uy, nag-rap po ako ng ka-attention. Parod nyo ba yun, guys? Ay, roll ka na. Ay, ano, roll tuloy. Nang-light ka na. Humanap, magpasaya para mag-live din ang pag-ibig ng pangarap ko. Alam niyo ba, guys? Parang naging tongue twister sa amin yung Angel. Go, what's your question, guys? Ano yan? Saan yan? What? Anong gusto ng mga masterpiece? Talaga, Jay. Ay. No, I can take it.
Kisses like we could you and I.
Without respect, I'm shooting my shot. Yes po naman. Although hindi kami nagkita in person. O bubuti pa si Kuya John, di nagtatampo. I think I'd rather you in my bed. Oh no po. How many days till I can see you again? Ayun ang inyong request. Uy! Sige. Bukas. Isama natin yun sa playlist natin bukas. Ito ginamit ko yun sa post ko, di ba? What is love? Oh, okay. More TikTok contents. Ba't nawala ako? Nawala ako, guys. More TikTok contents. Get ready with me. Uy, get ready with me. Parang gusto ko nun. Oo nga, no. Get ready with me. Oo nga, no. Uy, hindi. Namatay lang siya. Ito na naman, guys. Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo sa phone ko. Ba't ganun? Pababa yung battery niya kahit naka-charge. Sinusumpong siya, guys. Sinusumpong siya. Mukbang? Ano yung mukbang ko? na po. Uy, 330k. Thank you so much, guys. Kahit wala pang 250k, may request na kayo. Isang galon ng ice cream. Parang gusto ko yun, Kuya Bernard. Mukbang tayo. Hermosa. Gracias. Gracias, Natul. Lakas. Thank you, John F. Ewan ko nga po, Kuya John. Pag ginagamit siguro siya. Tagal na ba to? Parang 2 years pa lang siya. Hindi ko na rin sure, Ligo. 2 years ba? Hindi ko sure. Talaga ba? Tsaka na magpapalit, guys. Parang wala naman kayo dyan. Ito ba yun? Hindi ko rin sure. Ano nga ba to? Hindi ko rin sure. Hi guys! Sa mga kaka-join pa lang. Thank you so much. Grabe. Ano yun, Kuya John? Hindi ko alam yun. Totoo lang. Tama yun. Kaya pa naman niya eh. Okay, guys. Yes po. Ito, guys. Parang parang hindi nakakayanin ng... Ewan ko rin. Ba't ganito siya? Pero pag naka-TikTok live, ganun siya. Parang ayaw niya mag-charge. Pero kapag naman ang gamit ko lang, guys. Hi, Kuya James. Pag ang gamit ko lang is yung phone ko. Tapos, hi, Kuya Kevin. O, tandaan ko siya si Kevin. Yung isa si James. Ako yung kami-oshi niyan eh. Naku, sumakto ka kung kailan tayo nalolobat. Uy, hi kay Jesus! Thank you sa pagsend ng gift. Grabe. Diba? Sumakto siya kung kailan tayo. Ba't ganon? Thank you! Thank you sa pa-heart me. Thank you, guys. Pag naka-live ka, uy, talaga ba, Kuya Kevin? Ito, chinachara tayo ni Kuya Kevin.
Grammarly helps me get the best grades possible while depleting the least
Uy,
amount
hi
of
Justin.
my
Thank you.
I'm Lauren
Thank you.
Taylor.
Thank you din guys sa pagkausap sa akin tonight. Sana lagi kayong andyan. Oh. tinitignan ko yung battery ko kasi parang, pero, ang weird guys, kasi kapag gamit ko naman, kumari nag-IG ako, nag-charge siya, ba't ganun? Thank you, Latory. Diba? Pero pag ganito, ewan ko rin, anong problema? Look like courage, I'll be way too honest. Nag-charge ko sa, ayaw nga Stay still, love. It's quiet as you can, cause if anyone sees, they'll just blow up. I'm not the one if you take it. Hindi, pag naka-live, kahit naka-charge siya, nababawasan yung battery. Pero pag gamit ko lang siya, nag-pink up or blue up, maangat.
As long as we keep it low key.
Kaya naging idol? Ano ba yun? Alam ko ba yun? Hindi ko sure kung alam ko yun.
Keep it secret. Don't wanna leave this low key. Wizard with voice telling me my energy's so bewitching. So I'll go first. There's an open door that's close this distance. So why make me have to spell it all night?
Hello.
I don't really give a fuck about all the he said, she said.
Uy, thank you, Basti. Nag-sing pa siya.
Take a shot, take a chance, take my hand, boy.
Ayun guys, ayun yung problema ng phone ko ngayon. Ewan ko din, ba't siya ganyan?
Let's not think too much, there ain't no problem.
Sali kayo doon guys.
As long as we keep it
Para updated kayo sa ganap. Tapos, broadcast channel soon. Wait lang kasi. May ayos pa kami. Ayun na naman sa joke. Huwag na mag-joke na ganyan. Ire-emen nyo ako. Kasi, pinagtitripan nyo ako.
keep it secret. Don't wanna leave this
Nag-chat na nga. Ako wala na. Oh. Wait lang daw, Justin. Isasali ka ni Tin. Di ba Tin na lang tawag ko kay Justin kapag may kapangalan siya? Hoping na... Uy, what if Kuya Ejam soon? Nag-iba bigla yung career. Naging nagka-podcast bigla. Gusto niyo ba yun? Nakainis guys yung ano ko, battery. Sine-check ko siya ba kasi ba may bigla tayo. Ay, talaga po ba?
We were in the backseat, drunk on something stronger than the drinks in the bar. I rent a place on Cornelia Street. I sit casually.
Ng phone ko, ako kaya pa yung phone ko, hindi ko sure. Oh, hello! Oh, hello kay Tokwat. Grabe. Thank you!
Places we call
Uy, what if Kuya Kevin? Tapos gamit ko yung akin mic, na hindi ko magamit yan dahil ganun po talaga, Justin.
lose you, hope it never ends. I never walk Cornelia
Straight again. Uy, ang daming rose, parang bouquet na yan. Thank you.
I never walk
Cornelia straight again. Thank you sa cupcakes, Slash. Nag-rainstorm.
yours. We bless the rains on Cornelia Street, memorize the creaks in the floor.
Ayun na, bumalik na si Dax.
We were card sharks playing
Huwag na daw hintayin.
you were leading me.
Ayun na pala, Lax. Paed na pala tayo. Charot.
My bad, that's Cornelia Street before you even knew I was gone. When you called, showed your hand, I turned around before I hit the tunnel, sat on the roof, you and I hope I'm never lose you. It never ends. I never walk
Cornelia Street again.
That's the kind of heartbreak time could never mend. I
Ang
never walk Cornelia.
Naisip pa si Kuya kasi Kevin. Antok na nga eh. Sinong antok? What if matira matibay pa lang ano? Oh, iniyakan ni Jar 15 yung Cornelia Street. Tapos yung request niya kanina. Tears you can... May pinagdadaanan to. Parang galing lang sa... Nasa Wibigla si Tin. Gusto nyo ba yun?
Hold my hand on the street.
Broadcast? Yes nga po eh. May inaayos lang ako sa aking account. Kasi hindi daw pala pwede mag-broadcast channel lang hindi naka... Ano yan? Yung parang professional something.
Became my relief.
Na-max out. Uy! Ginamit niya pa yung catchphrase ko. Hi kay Bernard. Uy, thank you, Jason.
Never walk Cornelia
Straight again. Uy, may pag ganun siya. Ganyan pala si Tin kapag ganito oras na.
Never again.
Talaga? Naka-live ba si ate? Ganun lang po talaga ang mata niya. Kapag tinignan mo, mapapaganon ka din. Naka-live din ba si ate? Uy, thank you po Rams! Thank you so much. Next ito, para matiyo sa pag-relapse si ano. Di ba halata? Eh, ano oras gising ko, guys? I think not worry. I think. Midnight. You come and pick me up, no headlights. Oh, hi Junji. Hello. Do you know MNL 48? In the burning flames of paradise. Hi Junji. Watashi wa Max desu.
It's been a while since I've
Been waiting, heard from you.
heard from you. I should just
So you leave, cause I know exactly where it leads to that. Let's go round and round in time. You got that James Dean daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style.
You got that long hair, slick back, white t-shirt, and I got good girl face.
Tapos ang
Like little skirt, and
indigo.
down, we come back every time.
We never go out of style.
We never go out of style.
Alam nyo guys, iniisip ko kung aabot yung phone ko sa T50K. Naghihingal na yung battery niya. Thank you, Neil. Diba? Kaya nga eh.
You and I, instead of doing
a few
I
times.
knew.
'Cause you got that
Daydream, look in your eyes. Oh, kasi naka 1K na si Elise ata.
thing that you like, and we go crashing down.
Parang yung phone ko rin antok.
Times we never
Out of style, we never go.
out of style. You got that long hair slicked back, white t-shirt, and I got that good girl fade and a tight little skirt, and we go crashing down.
We come back every time, we never go out of style.
We never go out.
Akala ko pahina yung 350K. Oh, sponsoran na daw. Grabe. Grabe yan. Ha? Ano yun? Lilibre mo ba ako, Riri? Yes, guys. Ayun, nilibre pala ako ng iPhone. Grabe. Sige, thank you. Buy one, take one. Na para bang burger lang. Buy one, take one. Ipon tayo. Sige, parang matagal-tagal na ipunan yan. Grabe, ilang years. Ikaw pa daw magkukulang? Oo nga, nako. Hi, Lot Rory. Ano to? Ewan ko rin, mga 10 years. Araw-araw, tanging ikaw ang palagi kong hinahangad. Basta katulog kayo, baby. Ilang sayaw daw ng No Way Man yung katapat nun. At ang isang